Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Drive plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first step that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the Drive plugin. The license manager is automatically received during the online ordering procedure. However, if you have lost this email, so please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then you have to scroll down to the license manager and then enter your email address. When you click on Get Access, please don't forget to enable the terms and conditions, and you will get the license manager link. However, if you have still some difficulties or the email is not going to come to you, then please contact our support team at support@redmineup.com, or it is easier for you to create a ticket here. And our support agents are going to send you the license manager of your plugin. Alright, in our case, we have already downloaded the Drive plugin, which is 1.1.3. This is the latest pro version for now. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is to go to our core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and here open the plugins folder. Here you have to find the Drive. This is the light version that is currently installed on your Redmine, and please delete it. Okay, so we go back to our downloads folder and extract the pro version. Then we go into the inner folder and copy this one. It is the Redmine Drive. Then we return back to the plugins of your Redmine and paste it there. Okay, so the next step that you have to do is to open your command line, and I'm going to zoom it a little bit so it will be easier for you to see it. Alright, so we now navigate to our core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, as we have already said. And the first command here that we have to execute is bundle install. Bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your plugin. Okay, the next command is the migration command. The important thing here is that you have to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to upgrade. In our case, it is Redmine Drive. Please make a note that here these are warnings for developers. They are not going to harm the work of the plugin, so everything will be fine. Alright, so the very last thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine with touch temporary /restart.txt. So let's return back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. We wait a couple of seconds because restarting Redmine is going to take some time. Alright, so we see that the Drive plugin is now a pro version. So we have successfully upgraded from a light to a pro version of the Drive plugin. Alright, so I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you like it, then please check the other video demonstrations. Thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.